Hi, Jason. I wanted to do this video in response to your email that you sent. In your email, you ask about creating more than 100 records, and yes, you're right. For the contact record, you cannot have any more than 100 custom fields. But you can get creative and you can create extra fields for other parts of Infusionsoft. And one of the ways to do that is you can create a custom field for your referral partners, for your company, for your contact record, of course, you know that, for your task, appointments, and notes, for orders, for subscriptions, for opportunities. And so to get creative, and with the way that you're doing your you want to do your opportunities to move people through the different stages, and then you get them to the point where they have their specific plan, whatever their funding, whatever it is that they're getting from you. And to have an order as the end goal would actually be beneficial to you as you move people through your opportunities in your pipeline. So with that in mind, I created some of these fields for the PWA in an order for the order record. So I made a tab called PWA details, and the header I just called details. We can name it whatever. And this is in my app. I didn't do this in your app because I didn't want to just assume that you wanted it there. So I created an owner insured servicing agent just like you have. The fields don't match exactly the information, but so I have this person here and I create an order. I click add order and I created a product called PWA 1. And so when you create an order in Infusionsoft, you just click create order, and I chose a person and I click save. And once you create this order, you also see that this tab is up here, but you need to add a product to this order. And so you add an order item. And I made a product called PWA1. I made it a 0 price product. You can put notes here. Okay, now we have the order. And since it is a 0 product order, it's paid. And so the order title, you can even change it up here so that it actually shows up what it is. And you can add more detail right here, and you can add more order notes. And then you can save. And then here is where the fun comes in. So I'm actually going to go back to the client record right here. And I'll show you where you can find this order. Click orders. And here's the order that we just created. Here's the one that I did earlier, but this is the one that we actually created. And that's where adding the name is really important. Ignore that because I have a special little plugin that I have. But if you click this order, this link, it will take you to this particular order. And in this order, once you've created the order, you can go in and add all the information you want for this. Then you can save it. Now, anyone who comes to his record you can actually get to it from here. You can see this information. Now, the downside of this is it is not available. These fields that you create on the order record are not available for using inside merge fields in emails and such. So that is the downside.